Welcome friends. Today we are going to the new topic physiochemic classification of indigenous milk and milk products. Myself, Dr. K.D. Mori, working as assistant professor in the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy Science at KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. The content of today's topic, just like that, classification of indigenous milk and milk products. That is, first one is the heat desiccated type of milk product. Second, heat and acid coagulated type of milk products. Next one is the fermented type of milk product. Then frozen type of milk product. Then fat-rich type of milk product. Then syrup based type of milk product. Then value added type of milk and milk products. So let us see one by one. uh, we have to study the introduction of particular this topic. The total the products which are prepared by partial removal of moisture from milk using heat are called as heat desiccated type of milk products. These are the different example of heat desiccated type of dairy milk products. First one is the khawa, then peda, then barfi, then gulab jamun, kalakan, basundi, rabri, the milk cake, and pantua. These are the different example of heat desiccated type of milk products. First one is the khawa. Khawa is an important Indian milk products. Is prepared by continuous boiling of milk until desired concentration and texture is achieved. It is the khawa is base material is used for the variety of different popular sweets such as barfi, peda, gulab jamun, kalakan, kunda, and so many products is prepared from khawa. And the basic principle behind the khawa making is continuous heating, that is boiling, along with stirring and scraping of milk so that excessive moisture is evaporated. A partial denaturation of protein takes place, and the typical heated the flavor and slightly graining texture is developed in the final product. That time the some semi-solid mass of the milk solid is there, and the quality of khawa is better when the made from the buffalo milk, because the buffalo milk contain more fat as compared to the cow milk, and the inferior particular quality, the moist surface as well as sticky and sandy texture is not considered suitable for the preparation of sweetmeats. This texture is generally found in cow milk, so that's why cow milk is not suitable for khawa preparation. Then different as per the FSAI, the milk fat contained in khawa is shall not be less than 30% on dry weight basis. The types of khawa is pindi, dhap, and danedar. The pindi type of khawa is generally used for preparation or manufacturing of peda and barfi. Then that type of khawa is generally preparation generally useful for the preparation of gulab jamun and pantuwa. And another type of khawa is generally useful as for kalakan and milk cake. Okay, then these are the different example of heat desiccated type of milk products. Then second is heat and acid coagulated type of milk products. The example are as follows, that is paneer, then chana, rasmalai, rasgulla, cham cham, sandesh, rajbhog, kheer mohan, and channa murki. These are the uh, heat desiccated coagulated type of milk products, generally famous and popular in particularly in Bengal area, and this sweet is called as also called as the Bengali seeds. Then fermented type of milk products. The example is dahi, chakka, lassi, srikhand, buttermilk, yogurt, Yakult, Mishti dahi. There is also called as lal pyadi, then kefir and kumis. These are the different fermented type of milk products. Is generally famous in or generally popular in South India. Most of the people, this product is daily in our regular diet. The next, the frozen type of milk products. The example is kulfi, ice cream, matka kulfi, malaika barf, ice milk, milk sharbat, fruit ice, and water ice. These are the different frozen milk products. The next one is the fat-rich type of milk products. The example is cream, ghee, butter. The next one is cereal-based type of milk products. Kheer, then pyazam, curd rice, and firni. The curd rice, firni, and pyazam. This product is generally popular in South India, and kheer, this product generally popular in all over India. Then last one is the value added type of milk products. Value addition means the some of the fruits and vegetables is directly addition or intentionally addition to in preparation of different milk and milk products. The main aim of the value addition of the fruits and vegetables to increase the nutritive value of the finished product. The example of the value added dairy products, that's like bottle gourd barfi, bottle gourd peda, then coconut barfi, coconut laddu, then ash gourd barfi, ash gourd peda, ash gourd kalakan, then pumpkin barfi, pumpkin peda. The next is the honey lassi, bajra lassi, papaya lassi, then finger millet drinks. This is a fermented type of milk products. Then strawberry milkshake, aloe vera milkshake, sapota milkshake, sitapada milkshake. Then kiwi whey drinks, shoga whey drinks, banana whey drinks, pomegranate whey drinks. Then beetroot flavored milk, soybean flavored milk. Then ginger ice cream, ginger burfi, then gulkan kulfi. These are all the various number of value added dairy products generally prepared in various institute. This product is generally prepared uh, by the different MSc as well as PhD students, and the students, the product is more result and this products is more medicinal as a nutritional value as compared to the other food product. So that's why the value addition in particular milk and milk products by the use of different fruits and vegetables. So thank you.